Now, court is back in session in cause number M334030, case of style of state of Texas versus Carterson Jamal Lowe. Now, Mr. Lowe, you have previously been sworn in. Your attorney and the state has had a conference regarding your case. Mr. Vasquez, are you asking for the court to reset this case? Mr. Vasquez?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. Now,
I discussed it with, sorry, Your Honor. I discussed it with Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson brought it to my attention. I was not concerned yesterday, but I would like for Mr. Lowe to have a competency evaluation.
Okay. I've been observing him. Okay, let me do this here. All trials and hearings shall be public pursuant to Article 1.24 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. However, Lilly versus State 365 Southwest 3rd 321 states that the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing interests, such as interest in security, preventing disclosure of non-public information, or ensuring that the defendant receives a fair trial. Now, Mr. Vasquez, the court is going to conduct a hearing
Damn.
The court is going to conduct an informal inquiry to determine whether or not there's some evidence that would support a finding that the defendant may be incompetent to stand trial. And Mr. Vasquez, are you requesting that this hearing be closed to prevent the disclosure of non-public information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so at this time, the court finds that the party seeking to close the hearing have advanced an overriding interest that is likely to be prejudiced toward the defendant. The closure is no broader than necessary to protect defendants, to protect those interests. The court have considered other reasonable alternatives to closing the proceeding, and the court make these findings. These findings are adequate to support a closure. So at this time, we're going to ask that the general public please step outside for us to conduct this hearing. Is that we haven't just have them to step outside. And just for the record, let the record reflect that we have law enforcement in the courtroom. We have prosecutors in the courtroom and an attorney, and we also have members from.
Are we calling the law case at this time?
No, you're doing something else. And so we have Spindletop, who's our local mental health agency, along with an intern who's working with Spindletop. We have our mental health deputy as well in the courtroom. And we have our normal court personnel, court reporter, and our court clerk. So this hearing will be closed to the general public.